All right. Let's see what it's doing. Yowza! It's kind of like a blizzard out here. It's windy, and it is coming down. Oh, hopefully I don't slip. Seriously. Wow. Let's look down the hill. Wind always comes up the hill. It is bombing. Yeah, this is Noah's house. And it is, well, it's cold. And it's snowing a lot. I'm unsure. Oh, my little light's on. If winter's gonna end this year, it just may hang out and stay around. But I would like to get my garden going, which means the cold and snow, it has to go away. It's really going down. Woo. Oh my gosh, now the wind. Get it, Lila, get it. Get it, Lila. Holy, wow. So this is what's going on today at Noah's house. Here's the garden. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure what part of the storm this is. I hope you can hear the wind. Oh, there's my trees. Ah, Pittsburgh weather. Wow. I think this is a day to stay in and clean up the workshop and smoke a pipe and make an indoor video. My goodness. This is what's going on at Noah's house on a very snowy Saturday. See ya. Hello. Well, in the shop now. I was outside doing a couple clips because it was really coming down with the snow, kind of like a little blizzard going on around here. So I decided, as you can see, it's a mess. We're always cleaning up. We have so much stuff. We're moving in and out. A lot of stuff's going to be moved out soon enough. That's going to be a whole other adventure. So I decided to come down and do some cleaning up. There's tons of dust, sawdust in the shop today because I've been saying I made my daughter a plant stand. The place is a mess. I'm kind of a messy shop person. I do like to make videos down here and it looks kind of terrible. I'd spin a camera on it and see how messy it is, but I'm not going to do that. So I decided to come down, get a pipe going. This is, I'm unsure of the shape. If anyone out there can comment, I was looking up, it's a pipe website. I'll leave a link to them down below because I can't remember their name, but they're from Chicago and I found them online and they have a really cool shape chart. I've seen shape charts. I don't have my microphone or anything, but I like this shape, and this was a freebie pipe I got. I do believe it is a crown pipe, but it has no markings on it. And I really like this pipe. It's good for the shop. And I am smoking, which come to find, I really like this blend. And I bought it just on a whim at a smoke. Anytime I go to a brick and mortar, especially around Pittsburgh, because there's not a lot left. There's only a handful. I like to go and see what they have, looking for some weird tin tobaccos, which I'm thinking of making a video. I've been ordering a ton of tobacco because International Pipe Smoking Day is coming up tomorrow, I do believe. And man, I really hope I'm in this shot because I'm talking a lot. But what was I saying? Oh, everybody has their tobacco discounted. So I've just purchased about 20 tins of tobacco and some bulk luxury twist flake. But I was a brick and mortar in Moon Township. Stacked? Can't remember. I'll put a link to them down below as well. But I saw this, and zoom in on that. Cornell&Deihl's Autumn Evening, which I'm talking to the guy, and I'm like, I don't smoke aromatics. I don't really a lot. Turns out this is kind of an aromatic, but not really. But I'm going to do a video on that. Wait, yeah, so forget what I'm smoking now. But anyways, I'm going to clean up the shop. Maybe make a couple more little snippets. Do some editing tonight. It's just, it's a lot. I really like it. I don't want to give away because I want to make a video about it. But anyways, let's do some cleaning up and hopefully make some more stuff. I'm gonna put together in video. I started some seeds, started some onions and leeks, but I was having like a terrible day that day, and my video and stuff was messed up, and my mirroring thing, and I don't even know. I'm gonna go and see about editing those videos together, but I don't even think I'm gonna use them because you can tell I was just like, Urgh. But anyways, let's get to cleaning up the garage. Yeah, a lot of fun. Okay, well, still cleaning up. Did take a break and went and had lunch. Let me spin you around. Went and had lunch with my wife at a little place called Dad's. Had a Cuban sandwich and some beers. We went to Brew Gentleman, local brewery around here. Had a couple beers, and I went to get some diet beer, I call it. Anyways, I was cleaning up and I decided, oh, here's the huge mess, to make a shelf. So down here, I built this workbench myself. It was kind of a takeoff of a Paul Sellers design. But put some things there. I need a shelf. It's a piece of wood. Oh my gosh, it's not big enough. But I think I did find a piece of wood that will be big enough once I chop it down. I went to Home Depot to buy some furring strips. But anyways, that is the plan. Build a shelf and finish cleaning. I have another pipe going. Same pipe tobacco because I really like it. But I'll show you my little shelf that I'm going to build. This is kind of what I wanted to do with this channel at Noah's house. Not just gardening, not just pipe smoking, which the pipe smoking just kind of wormed its way in. 80 some, almost 90 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank each and every one of you guys for doing that. But now I'm gonna build a shelf and I'll bring it back and show you that. Yeah. All right, well, as per my videos, I made a shelf or drawer or a shelving drawer. Comes out that far, and not real big because it's, you know, it's the bench in the workshop, but it should help me organize some stuff. So I can get on my quest to organize and clean up. So when I make an awesome video, that doesn't look like I'm sitting in a trash dump. Oh, there's a shelf.